What happens when two of the most powerful modern technologies merge? Artificial intelligence and CRISPR are now working together, and the results are rewriting the future of biology. From designing custom cures to engineering climate-resilient crops, this fusion could change everything. Let's explore how AI and CRISPR are transforming medicine and agriculture in ways once thought impossible. Number 1. CRISPR 101, the genetic scissors. CRISPR is a gene editing tool that acts like molecular scissors. It allows scientists to cut and modify DNA with precision. Since its discovery, CRISPR has revolutionized genetic research. Its origin comes from a natural defense mechanism found in bacteria. These bacteria use CRISPR to recognize and destroy viruses. Scientists adapted this natural system to edit the genomes of plants, animals, and humans. But identifying where to edit in the vast human genome is complex, and that's where AI comes in. CRISPR without guidance is like having a scalpel without a surgeon. AI provides that surgeon. Number 2, AI steps in, pattern recognition at scale. AI can scan massive amounts of genetic data quickly. It identifies patterns and predicts which DNA sequences to target. This drastically speeds up the gene editing process. What once took months can now take days. AI excels in recognizing complex relationships between genes, something humans would struggle to detect manually. This capability is essential for understanding diseases caused by multiple genetic factors. For example, polygenic disorders like diabetes involve many genes. AI can pinpoint the key contributors. Number 3, designing genetic cures. AI doesn't just find target sequences, it helps design the cure. Using deep learning, AI models simulate how genetic changes will behave. This helps avoid unintended effects before lab testing even begins. One project used AI to design CRISPR therapies for rare genetic diseases in children, cutting development time in half. Another initiative used AI to create personalized treatment blueprints for patients with unique genetic mutations. These blueprints can then be edited using CRISPR, opening the door to true precision medicine. And as more patients are sequenced, AI improves its recommendations with every case. Number 4, precision oncology, targeting cancer cells. In cancer treatment, CRISPR can target and destroy cancer DNA. But every tumor is different. AI helps map a tumor's genetic signature and selects the best CRISPR configuration. This personalized approach boosts success rates and reduces side effects. Some hospitals are already testing CRISPR AI strategies in clinical trials, aiming to reduce treatment failure. And with AI monitoring real-time response data, adjustments to the therapy can happen rapidly. Imagine a world where chemotherapy is obsolete, replaced by intelligent targeted molecular edits. Number 5, agriculture breakthroughs, smarter crops. In agriculture, the stakes are global. Crops face disease, drought, and climate change. AI helps identify genetic traits for resilience. CRISPR then edits the plant DNA to enhance yield, immunity, or water efficiency. AI can even predict how a crop will behave under future climate scenarios, allowing for preemptive genetic adjustments. This could be critical for ensuring food security in a changing world. Governments are investing in AI CRISPR tech to stabilize food supplies. Number 6, real-life case, drought-resistant rice. A recent study used AI to analyze rice genomes across different climates. It found genetic markers linked to drought survival. Using CRISPR, scientists edited those genes, and the new rice survived extreme dry conditions. This approach could help feed millions. The same model is now being applied to maize and wheat in Africa and Asia. Increased crop stability reduces dependency on imports and improves local economies. In some areas, this tech has already reduced food scarcity. Number 7, fighting antibiotic resistance. Bacteria evolve quickly, and so must our medicine. AI identifies genes responsible for resistance. CRISPR is used to disable those genes. One lab used this method to revive the effectiveness of old antibiotics. This could be a game changer in the fight against superbugs. The potential also extends to tailoring phage therapy, an alternative to antibiotics. AI helps select and design viruses that target specific bacterial strains, while CRISPR disables their resistance mechanisms. Hospitals could soon use AI CRISPR protocols to treat antibiotic-resistant infections in real time. Number 8, ethical questions and control. But with power comes risk. Who decides what can or cannot be edited? AI's black box nature adds uncertainty. How it reaches conclusions isn't always clear. And CRISPR edits can have unintended effects. Together, they raise new ethical questions about consent, control, and transparency. There are fears that without oversight, this tech could be used for eugenics or unregulated human enhancement. Global bioethics committees are pushing for international rules and transparency standards. Some countries are even drafting AI-specific gene editing legislation. Number 9, speed versus safety, the race to market. AI plus CRISPR is fast, sometimes too fast for regulation to keep up. Biotech startups are already creating AI-designed gene edits sold directly to labs. This speed worries ethicists who call for global standards. But it also excites investors and innovators. The biotech industry is booming with venture capital backing AI CRISPR fusion companies. Some of these companies promise gene therapies designed in weeks, not years. As competition heats up, the pressure to deliver breakthroughs faster grows. This arms race in biotech may determine who leads the next scientific revolution. Number 10, the future, programmable biology. Together, AI and CRISPR are creating programmable biology. Imagine crops updated like apps or diseases cured before birth. We're entering an era where biology can be coded like software. This could lead to biological computers, synthetic organisms, or even life forms designed from scratch. In the future, we may use AI to generate entirely new genetic blueprints and CRISPR to bring them to life. Some scientists call this the beginning of Bio 2.0, a new phase of evolution driven by design, not chance. The fusion is just beginning, and it's changing everything we know about life itself. AI and CRISPR are no longer separate revolutions. They're one. This fusion could solve the biggest challenges in health and food. But we must ask the hard questions now, before the tech outpaces our ability to guide it. What would you change if you could edit life itself? Let us know in the comments. And follow Curiosity AI for more science that feels like science fiction, but is already real.